Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change image banner size on Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your Shopify store and log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Shopify dashboard. From here, click on Online Store under the Sales Channel section. After that, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. On this page, locate your current theme, click on the three-dot icon next to it, and then select Edit Code. Once the code editor opens, look for theme.liquid and click on it. After opening the theme.liquid file, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom of the code. Here, place your cursor at the end of the closing end if line and press Enter to create a new line. Next, go to the website provided in the video description and copy the full code from there. After copying the code, go back to your Shopify theme editor and paste the code just above the body tag. Once the code is pasted, you'll notice values labeled as max width inside the code. These max width values control the size of your image banner. The first max width value controls the banner size on desktop devices, while the second max width value controls the banner size on mobile devices. To change the banner size on desktop, edit the first max width value. For example, if you change it to 50%, the image banner on PC will be reduced by half. After making the change, click Save. Now go back to your Shopify store. You can see my current size is this, and if I refresh the page, you'll see that the image banner size has been updated. If you want the banner to be larger, you can change the value to something like 60% or 75%. Save the changes again and refresh your store to see the updated size. At any point, if you want to restore the image banner back to its default size, simply remove the code you added, click Save, go back to your Shopify store, and refresh the page. Your image banner will return to its original size. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change image banner size on Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.